We made an invention for getting stuck on inner races off of hubs. Check it out. Got ourselves a drill in a vise, a long bolt with a washer on the end, and here's our inner race we want to get off. We're not reusing this hub. It's obviously been damaged from being driven on bad, but I need the part number off of there. So if we cut this bearing, we might damage the part number. We don't know where it is. Let's do it the old torch and drill way. As you hit the drill, it spins. Let's bust the torch out. When it's heated and spinning, the race is supposed to fall off, but let me, so it didn't work out the way I wanted for this one, and let me show you why. You see how long this vehicle was driven with a bad wheel bearing? See all that pitting and everything? I think that race is really seized on there. And also there's a lip worn into there and right before the race. I think it's holding it on. So I just cut a notch in the bearing. This is all garbage, so I wasn't worried about saving anything. And hopefully I didn't destroy the part number on that line. I'm gonna take my little air chisel and go brap and knock it off. I can't see no part number. Maybe it was on the other side of the bearing, which was thrashed. Let me wire wheel this guy. Well, that was unsuccessful. The replacement hub and bearing kit had a part number just on one side, so I suspect the part number was on the other side that was severely gouged up and damaged. So that was a waste of time.